Food storage. How long can you keep apple juice, commercially canned or bottled, sold unrefrigerated, opened? How long does apple juice last once opened? The precise answer depends to a large extent on storage conditions. Keep open apple juice refrigerated and tightly closed. How long does open apple juice last in the refrigerator? Apple juice that has been continuously refrigerated will keep for about 7 to 10 days after opening. To further extend the shelf life of opened apple juice, freeze it. Defreeze apple juice, store in airtight container and leave at least half-inch headspace at the top, as juice will expand when frozen. How long does apple juice last in the freezer? Properly stored, it will maintain best quality for about 8 to 12 months, but will remain safe beyond that time. The freezer time shown is for best quality only. Apple juice that has been kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit will keep safe indefinitely. How long does apple juice last after being frozen and thawed? Apple juice that has been defrosted in the fridge can be kept for an additional 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator before using. Apple juice that was thawed in the microwave or in cold water should be used immediately. How can you tell if apple juice is bad? If apple juice develops an off odor, flavor or appearance, or if mold appears, it should be discarded. Discard all apple juice from cans or bottles that are leaking, rusting, bulging or severely dented. Please suggest what kind of food you want to know about. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to support our channel.